Greetings, fellow explorers of the unknown. Buckle up for an interstellar journey. Welcome to the unseen universe, your one-stop destination for the most extraordinary places on Earth and beyond. We're setting our sights on the fascinating world of UFO tourism, exploring historical hotspots of unexplained phenomena. If you're intrigued by the mysteries of the cosmos and love to travel off the beaten path, you'll want to join us on this journey. Prepare to embark on a tour of the most captivating UFO tourism places on our little blue planet. We begin our journey with Roswell, New Mexico. Known for the infamous Roswell incident of 1947, it's a place steeped in mystery and intrigue. Here, a supposed UFO crash sparked decades of speculation and conspiracy theories. For those about this event, the International UFO Museum and Research Center offers a deep dive into the incident, featuring detailed exhibits and first-hand accounts. Roswell, a small town with a big secret, reminds us that the truth is out there. Next on our list, we head down under to Wycliffe Well, Australia. This isolated outpost, nestled in the heart of the outback, is known as the UFO capital of Australia. With numerous reported since World War II, Wycliffe Well has become a hotspot for those seeking extraterrestrial encounters. The local roadhouse, a quirky attraction in its own right, is adorned with alien murals and UFO memorabilia, echoing the area's rich history of unexplained phenomena. So up, stargazers, and venture to Wycliffe Well, where the outback meets the outer space. Let's take a journey to the picturesque town of San Clemente, Chile. This town is not just known for its stunning landscapes, but also for its annual UFO trail. Yes, you heard it right, a trail dedicated to the unidentified flying objects. San Clemente is home to El Enladrillado, a flat area made of large stones believed by many to be a landing pad for UFOs. The locals and visitors alike have reported numerous sightings, making this area a hotspot for those seeking extraterrestrial experiences. So if you're in Chile and wish to catch a glimpse of something out of this world, don't forget to visit San Clemente, where the skies hold more than just stars. Our journey now takes us to the chilly climes of Norway. We're at the Hessdalen Valley, an area known more for its lights than its landscapes. The Hessdalen lights, an unexplained light phenomenon, have been observed above this valley since the 1930s. These lights, varying in form and intensity, dance across the night sky, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. Despite numerous theories ranging from ionized iron dust to alien activity, the origin of these lights remains a mystery. This cosmic enigma attracts scientists and curiosity seekers from around the globe. So if you're a fan of mysteries and light shows, remember the Hessdalen Lights, Norway's very own cosmic ballet. Let's now journey to Broadhaven, Wales. This charming coastal village is known for more than its breathtaking vistas. It's the heart of the so-called Broadhaven Triangle, a hotspot for UFO sightings. The year 1977 marked a surge in these sightings, with the most notable one reported by 14 students from the local school. These young witnesses claimed to have seen a cigar-shaped craft in broad daylight. Despite the passing years, the mystery of Broadhaven continues to attract UFO enthusiasts and researchers alike, turning this serene village into a hub of cosmic curiosity. So remember Broadhaven, where the past continues to echo in the present. Crossing the pond, we land in Rendlesham Forest, England. A place of verdant mystery, Rendlesham is the site of one of the most notable UFO events in history. In the chilly of 1980, military personnel reported strange lights and unexplained phenomena. This incident, often termed Britain's Roswell, has sparked decades of debate and investigation, cementing Rendlesham's place in UFO lore. So if you're yearning for a dose of cosmic intrigue, remember Rendlesham Forest, where even the trees whisper tales of the unexplained. And lastly, no UFO tourism list would be complete without mentioning this intriguing spot. Shrouded in secrecy, this mysterious location has long been the subject of countless conspiracy theories. Its nature has earned it a prominent place in pop culture, piquing the curiosity of alien enthusiasts worldwide. Every year, the Storm Area 51 event draws in throngs of people, all in search of extraterrestrial encounters. This elusive destination, where the line between fact and fiction blurs, is a must-visit for all UFO enthusiasts. And that, dear explorers, is our countdown of the top 20 UFO tourism places. We've journeyed through the enigmatic landscapes of Roswell, Rendlesham Forest, and even dared to peek into Area 51, If you've visited these places or others that echo with extraterrestrial tales, we'd love to hear your experiences. And if you've got a gem of a location that didn't make this list, do share. Remember, the universe is brimming with mysteries. Keep exploring and keep questioning. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies.